So I've had two cleats on this AR195 loosen up, and they're both in the center. The other ones seem to be okay, but this is what you get. You get this whole thing is loose, right? And eventually it'll fall off, right? It's this back piece, right? You can see that, and on the other side it was even looser than that. That's not horrible. These other ones seem to be pretty good, nice and tight, right? But the challenge is what I'm going to show you is how you get to those cleats from the inside. So that one that we just looked at over here, it's right there, and on the inside this is what you got, right? So how do you get to that? So this upholstery is going to have to come off. Either this one or this shorter one has got to come off. And to do that, there's screws underneath you're going to have to get to take that off. I'm going to have the dealer do it, but I had one that's really loose over on this side, and I took the cup holder out. The cup holder has this light in it. Right, that's just like a little light for when you put stuff in there. And I opened up this space to get to the one on the outside, and that's the cleat right there. All right, and so I can get to that, and I can spin these and tighten them up. So I'm going to tighten those down. I don't want to tighten them too. I don't want to break the fiberglass. But that is the trick, at least to that one, which is right there. All right, so you either take off the upholstery or you take that off, and that was all these screws. Got that off. So each cleat has its own challenge, right? This one happened to be easy because I could take that out, no problem. If one of these back ones needs to be tightened, there's a compartment under there. I think I can get to that one, but I don't know about the other side. So at least I got one tight, and at least you can see what they look like, and eventually those would come loose and just spin off and fall down into the hole. So I'm going to tighten this one up. I was going to have mold done at the dealer, but it's 100 degrees tomorrow and I want to take my boat out, so, and I don't want a cleat to fall off. So I'm going to tighten that up, and that's the secret to the cleat on an AR195.